Print on demand is very similar to dropshipping, but it allows e-commerce business owners to personalize and customize their products. The concept behind print on demand is that once a product is sold, a print on demand supplier custom prints an order and ships it direct to the customer. A great example of companies using print on demand services are t-shirt companies selling funny and novelty t-shirts. Instead of holding mountains of stock in all different sizes and different colors, the e-commerce store lists all of the various options for sale on their website, which only get made once they have actually been purchased. These days, print-on-demand services like Printify, Printful and Gooten all have a range of products that extend well beyond the humble t-shirt. From clothing to homewares and everything in between, print-on-demand services allow you to get a little more creative than the standard dropshipping model. So what are the pros of print on demand? Well, firstly, you can offer personalized merchandise, which people absolutely love. Next, you can add new products whenever you want that are instantly available in your online store. If you're selling t-shirts or other apparel, this can be a huge advantage as you don't have to wait for stock or stock a huge range of colors and sizes. And next, you don't need to invest in your own printing equipment, which is excellent for newbies. But there are cons. So firstly, print on demand has many of the same disadvantages of the dropshipping model, but there is one unique con that you need to watch out for. Since each item is custom made, the fulfillment time is usually longer than traditional dropshipping or other e-commerce models. This is actually where the customization and personalization model wins, because people expect to wait longer for something they know is being specially made for them. Hey guys, love this video? Make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you get all the e-commerce goodness when it comes out. And remember, if you're looking for a platform to build your e-commerce site, head on to the link in the description for your special DashNex PowerTech offer. See you next time.